In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professionally designed PDF without having to be a professional designer or hire a designer yourself. And the reason why you want to do this is as an online business owner, you might want to sell a nice looking PDF for a small price, or you might want to give it away in exchange for someone entering their email address. And it's important to fill this PDF up with great helpful content for your target market, but it also needs to be presented in a beautiful way in order for you to seem credible and your business to be credible. So what we're going to be doing is I've written up this text for a pretty short PDF called 7 Copywriting Secrets for Beginners, and we're going to use a free online design tool called Canva to turn that into a professional PDF. So do this, you're going to go to canva.com and you're going to click sign up in the top right hand corner. And in this case, I'm just going to click log in because I already have an account, but you can log in with either of your social media accounts. So I'm going to go with Facebook. And once you've created your account or logged in, you'll see this window here. And on the top left-hand corner, click on Create a Design and scroll down until you see A4 document. And A4 document is just a piece of paper. So this is the standard size of a piece of paper, which is also the standard size for any PDF. And what's so awesome about Canva is you can use any of their pre-made, professionally designed templates with a single click. So what you want to do is find a template that looks nice that you want to be the cover of your PDF. So I'm just going to quickly scroll down through here until I find one that looks good. And in this example, I'm just going to use this one right here. And immediately this loads and we can edit all of this. So I'm going to edit some of this text so that it says 7 copywriting secrets for beginners. Now, of course, this is too big, so I just highlighted it all, and we can adjust the font size here. We can also adjust the font itself, sizing, color, position, all this other stuff. And then I'm going to get rid of some of this other stuff. So in this case, I'm just going to say eric.camp presents, because that's the name of the website. Delete this box just by clicking on it and then pressing the delete key, deleting this address. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller and add some spacing to it. There we go. So that looks pretty nice, and I'll just drag it in the middle. And now immediately we've designed a professional looking cover for this PDF. So Eric.Camp presents 7 copywriting secrets for beginners, and now we want to actually create the content that will go inside of this PDF. And to do that, we want to click on Add a New Page. And this is page 2. So what we can do is we can either click on this again if we want to use this, or we could just delete all this stuff and add in text manually. And we can add in the text by going to text on the left side and add a heading. So in this case, I'm going to go to the document I've created. And right here, this is introduction text. So I'm going to call the heading Introduction to this PDF. And I'll place that at the top. Then I'll click on this to add body text. And I'm just going to copy and paste all of this text right here and make it bigger. And then I'll move it where it feels right, highlight it and align it to the left, and just work on some of the spacing until it looks good. And sometimes the spacing is going to get a little messed up when you copy and paste it in, but that's okay. And as you can see, already this is pretty well designed. So this is what I was working with. This is the default when I exported it from my writing program. And if you were to sell this to someone for, say, $7, or even give it for free in exchange for an email, they would probably be thinking, okay, I don't know if I trust this business. This does not look very well designed. But what we've just created in less than 5 minutes is awesome. This looks like a professional designer got their hands on this. And what we can do now is once we've created it, we can click on this download button in the top right-hand corner. It's going to default to PDF. All pages will be selected, which is what we want. And then we can click on download. And it's so cool that we can create something so professional so quickly. These tools get easier and easier to use, and it's just amazing what you can do as an online entrepreneur these days. So if I open this up, we can see that this is the PDF that we just created. So what I encourage you to do at this point is to pause this video, or once this video is finished, go create a free account on canva.com and create a PDF. Doesn't have to be amazing, but just use one of the templates that's already pre-built and see how quickly you can create something that looks like a professional designer created it. And the reason why this is so important for you to do yourself is it's one thing to watch this video and get excited about the potential, but once you actually play with this tool yourself, you're going to immediately see the potential that it has for you and all of the things that you want to build for your business. So pause this video and go play with Canva right now.